inventory rising, but is that a bad thing? It's Friday, March 28th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Inventory has been a challenge, at least in Maryland, over the past several years. So seeing more inventory come to the market is not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, we still don't have as much inventory as needed for households being formed and buyers coming into the area. So yes, more inventory means more competition for sellers. So sellers need to be realistic. They need to price their property really tight and have it in better condition than other properties they're competing with. Now, buyers will have more selection, but check out these stats. Homes are still going under contract in 12 days and are selling at list price and in many cases higher. There are also multiple offers, so buyers need to be proactive in getting their act together, putting their offers in quickly, and making sure their offers are presented clean and straightforward so that they appeal to sellers, since these multiple offers will likely disappoint a buyer who thinks they got it made in the shade. And sellers know that right now, this is the sweet spot. As you get into mid-April and May, things change, and you may not necessarily see the same benefit as being on the market right this moment. So let's look at some numbers. There are 1,640 homes coming soon, reflecting a 67% increase from last year this time. 1,825 properties went live this report, a 7.5% increase over last year. 1,722 homes went under contract in 11 days, 5% less contracts than last March. 997 properties settled this report at 100% and up to 12 days, while this reflects 25% fewer settled homes than last year this time. Anne Arundel County home prices are up 7.9% year over year, while Howard County rose 5.5%. Buying activity fell in Anne Arundel County 3.1% and rose 2.5% in Howard County compared to last year the same time. The median list price in Calvert County rose 1% year over year, while Charles County is up 13.4%. Frederick County prices are up 11%, and Prince George's prices rose 9.7% from last year this same time. Montgomery County home prices fell 7.1% year over year. Buyer activity decreased in all Maryland suburbs except for Calvert County, which is up 28.3%. Rental properties dropped to 2,494 properties for lease this report, priced at $2,400 median. That's your wrap for the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 28th, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.